Welcome to an extraordinary journey. Today, we're exploring the daily life of astronauts aboard the International Space Station. Imagine living in a world without up or down, where every movement is afloat. This is their reality. From waking up to working, eating, and sleeping, everything is different. Let's dive into their unique routines. How do astronauts start their day in microgravity? It's not as simple as rolling out of bed. They secure themselves to prevent floating away. Every morning task requires careful planning. Brushing teeth in space involves special toothpaste and no running water. It's a delicate operation. Washing up is also unique. They use wet wipes and rinseless shampoo, conserving every drop of water. These adaptations are crucial for basic hygiene and comfort in their extraordinary environment. Beyond daily routines, astronauts are scientists. Their work involves groundbreaking experiments. From studying plant growth to material science, their research benefits life on Earth. Maintenance is also a constant. The ISS is a complex machine requiring continuous care. Every task demands precision and focus, ensuring the station's optimal functioning. Their work is vital, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technological advancement. Mealtime in space is far from ordinary. Food comes in special packages, often dehydrated. Rehydrating food is a common step, adding water to bring meals back to life. Eating requires care to prevent food from floating away. Spoons and forks are magnetic. Despite the challenges, space food is designed to be nutritious and surprisingly tasty. Maintaining proper nutrition is key to their health and performance in space. Exercise is non-negotiable. Astronauts spend hours daily combating muscle and bone loss. Equipment like the stationary bike helps maintain cardiovascular health and strength. This rigorous regimen is critical for their long-term well-being and successful missions. Regular health checks are also part of the routine, monitoring their physical condition. They interact with medical equipment, ensuring they remain in peak physical form. Even in space, leisure and connection are vital for mental well-being. The cupola offers a stunning view. Looking at Earth, they find moments of peace and remember their home planet. Communication with family and friends is essential, bridging the vast distance. Staying connected helps them cope with isolation and maintain morale. When it's time to sleep, astronauts prepare for a unique slumber experience. They secure themselves in sleeping bags, floating comfortably without a traditional bed. Rest is crucial, even in microgravity, to recharge for another day of exploration. The life of an astronaut is a testament to human adaptability and ingenuity. They live and work in an environment unlike any other, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Join us in celebrating these pioneers and the ongoing journey of space exploration. The future awaits,